Hey, science enthusiasts. Did you know that mixing chameleon powder with slime can create a mesmerizing color-changing effect? Today, let's find out how it works. In this video, you'll explore the fascinating combination of chameleon powder and slime, and what happens when these two elements unite. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Many people wonder if mixing chameleon powder with slime will enhance its properties or just create a messy disaster. So, I'm here to put it to the test. Will it be a colorful masterpiece or a gooey mess? Let's dive in and see what happens. First, I'll show you how to mix the chameleon powder with the slime step by step. Watch closely as I pour the powder into the slime and start mixing. Notice how the consistency begins to change. This is where the magic happens. Keep your eyes on the slime as the colors start to shift. See those vibrant hues transforming right before your eyes? That's the chameleon powder reacting to temperature changes. It's like a mini science show in your hands. The moment you've been waiting for, here it is. The slime magically transforms colors. Isn't that just amazing? This unique effect is all thanks to the thermochromic properties of the chameleon powder. Science at its most colorful. To recap, we mixed chameleon powder with slime and observed some incredible color-changing effects. The results were both fun and visually striking. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts on this experiment, and check out my other videos for more fun science experiments. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of science.